The teacher wey Mercy Johnson call out don come out come talk her own part of the story. Mo hear. My correct people dem this morning, Nollywood actress wey dey call am say Mercy Johnson Okoji don come cry me a river of wetin dem do her daughter for her daughter new school. No be small thing, my correct people dem, many people don judge even me sef I been dey on my way to the school with Naifi. Before I come hear the teacher version of the story, no wonder our elders say story dem no dey hear am from one side, say you go hear am from the two parties before you go fit draw your conclusions. So make we hear from the classroom teacher before we draw our conclusion for this mattress. Alright, so make I read am for una. She said something happened today as Christland VGC, and I did literally want everyone on this app to please judge this case. So many times I've had these narratives, Nigerian celebrities feeling like demigods and superior to other human beings. How would you, as a mother celebrity, go to your daughter's school and instigate your daughter to fighting and cause havoc in her new school? Your daughter was sent out of Green Spring because of your demental attitude and the fact that you didn't train your children well. You then brought the stupid character to Christland VGC at Mercy Johnson Okoji. This one are really calling out with full chest. So, hey, wahala. No be cover shoe wear so, hey. And anytime we wahala wear cover shoe, no say the wahala go loud. Because now so the thing go just go koi, 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 koi. Why would you go to your child's school to fight a head teacher because she corrected your child? So her child purity twisted the hand of a fellow student and the case was reported to the head teacher. The woman called the both students to reconcile them and asked Purity to apologize. The child told the teacher literally that she would never do that because she wasn't taught to do so. After much persuasion, she apologized and the teacher dismissed the both students, only for her mother, Mrs. Mercy Johnson Okoji, to come to the school this afternoon to cause havoc, insult, and humiliate the head teacher. All for what? So please, what exactly was the head teacher offense? How can a mother tell her child in front, tell her child to fight whosoever talks to her or discipline her in school, asking her child to hit students and teachers whosoever, and you are a model actress to many children and women. I had great respect for you, but I lost every iota of it today. You can never have any respect whatsoever in that school anymore. You embarrass yourself and image today, and action will definitely be taken against you. As a mother, you don't train your child to be a tyrant. You have the ideology that you are the most hated actress in Nigeria, and that's so your business. Okay, so after her display, still during her display, she called her husband, who in turn came to the school with 3 hefty bodyguards to beat up the head teacher for supposedly disturbing his wife and child. So as a man, you brought your soldier dogs to fight a woman. Aren't you ashamed? At Mercy Johnson Okoji, whatsoever you think you are, be it a celebrity or assistant god, you don't try to make anyone feel less of themselves. Whatever position you claim to have, nonsense. I am very sure that the school and parents always sign a contract, and no parent is allowed to assault the teacher. You have been dragged so many times for your dirty attitude, and you don't still feel the need to adjust until you are too old for this behavior. You build one depleted hotel, and all of a sudden you feel you are above everyone. You did keep taking your children from one school to another because you can't control yourself and act civilized. Grow up all her at Mercy Johnson Okoji. She contact Tunde Enoch, contact the Eye Opener, she contact Gossip Mill TV, contact Gist Lover Africa. And for the records, the lady didn't say jack to Mercy yesterday. She just folded her arms and watched her display. She didn't utter a word, so it doesn't become her word against hers. She just stood there crying while Mercy dragged and assaulted her like the mad woman that she is. My great people them, if you never watch the first video, I beg no vex, go watch that first video, because the story where this lady they talk, they different from wetin Mercy Johnson talk, totally different, like you don't even get connection. So now I don't know who they talk through and who they lie, but wetin make me come dey look Mercy Johnson one eye be say as she quickly carry the matter on social media, it can't be like say maybe she feel say the school go call her out over wetin happened the previous day. I really don't know, because I was like, why is she bringing these issues to social media? If something happened for your school, if you say they don't F up, why not treat their F up and all that? As you can't treat their F up, still bring her for social media. Now it I don't understand. My own problem for this mattress be say wetin come bring Mercy Johnson hotel enter this matter, even call am depilated hotel. If you dey easy, go build your own now. Why I talk say not to get much to talk for this mattress, but if I say make I talk my mind, as you see me so, if I see say adults humiliate, treat my pikin anyhow, I go tear my panty, nakedy, fight you wella, anywhere me and you go reach. So for mother to enter school where she don dey hear complain about her daughter for 2 weeks, come meet her daughter dey cry, dey point finger, all the accumulated anger go just show immediately. Already the right up self carry so much hatred, so much. If na me with Mercy Johnson, I go comot my children for that school o, fast. I no go even waste time. But when we hear wetin other people talk, so the first person here say, I don't know why I don't believe this. How can 8-year-old girl bluntly say I was not taught to apologize? Nah, I won't buy this. Another person can say, never be quick to judge on this Zuckerberg Instagram. Those of you who have stand and restand and Pakistan and Afghanistan can now unstand. So another person can say, there's so much hate in this write-up for it to be true. Sha, tall. My correct people them, are they confused? So another person can say, me, I don't believe this story, Sha. Another person can say, me, I don't believe this lady. Mercy Johnson will call her if you know provoke her, please. The lady is not saying the exact thing that happened. I know they there when it happened, but the lady that wrote this on her status is trying to sweet talk everything, so it will look as if Mercy is the bad person. Alright, so thank you for watching. Stay beautiful. Bye.